And this is bird number 6. It's a little male pastel blue. And very young yet, still has his little pin feathers, and he's not winged. But he will be real soon. Very pretty. Look at that pretty boy. Look at that pretty boy. Look at the camera. Are you camera shy? Are you camera shy? Come on, no. Nothing but the camera. Yeah. Oh, such a sweet little guy. Oh, sweet girl. Sweet boy, I mean. Oh, sweet little boy. See got little pin feathers? But when he gets to be an adult, it's so beautiful. Okay. Bird 6, number 6.